Alright, boys and girls. So today, well, the last couple of days I've been working on this stack that I told you guys we were going to build eventually. So I'm going to show you what I've done so far, and then we're going to go from there. Okay. So we have a piece of 8-inch pipe. I think it's like 1/8 inch thick. It's a little thick for exhaust, but that's fine. Whatever. So I laid it out like the good old pipe fitters book said to. And then I used this right here. Oh, it's probably not going to focus, is it? Whatever. I used the 8-inch one. And then I used my good old high quality wraparound to mark this out. It didn't look right at first, but the more I look at it, the better it looks. So we're going to lop this off at a 45. I don't think it's going to be tall enough to make a cat stack out of. So I think what we're going to do is just lop it up 45 and then build the base plate for it, and probably put a 4-inch on it because, well, that's what I got. So, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you in a minute. Alrighty, boys and girls, so this is what she looks like. Obviously, we're not done yet, so we're going to put a flat disc on there. We're going to use our square. We're going to make sure all of this is flat, level, and perfect. I know we could go from there, so let's get back to it. Alrighty, guys, so we got this all ground off. It matches pretty much all the way around. This part right here, I can't get it to match, I don't know why, but that's done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark the bottom of this, square it obviously, and then we're gonna get our 4-inch circle cut right in the center. That way we can put, this is 4 1/8. We'll mark the outside, use the torch, cut on the inside of the lines for this, and then we're gonna put a 6-inch long piece of 4-inch exhaust, and then when that's done, we're gonna do, well, we're gonna put this on first before this, but we're gonna cut the hole first, and then we'll flip it over, get that welded on, and then get our exhaust pipe welded on, because we can weld that rolling out. So, but just thought I'd let you guys know what we're doing, and we'll keep going. All right, boys and girls. So she's done. I mean, we got to paint her still. So, but like I said, 4-inch, 60/11 root, 70/18 top. I just want to make sure it's strong. 3/8 plate for the base. This is just 70/18 all the way out, all the way around. And then that's it right there. It is 8 5/8. Like this. 8 5/8. I have never even measured this thing yet, so. Okay, since I screwed up, it is 41 3/8 to the tallest point. So, it definitely should be enough to make a statement. So, we're going to go ahead and brake clean it. And then we're going to go ahead and spray paint it. So, I'll see you guys in a second. Alrighty, boys and girls. So, we got it done. It's got 2 coats of paint on it. So we're gonna show it to you. The other side is not painted yet. We're waiting for it to dry, so I'm gonna show it to you real quick. So this is what she looks like. I think it's gonna look really good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna be building another stack or 2. I think I have 2 5s and 1 6, so I think we're going to be building quite a few of them. So, if you guys enjoyed the videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and talk to you later.